Hello everybody. Well, the day has come. Going to check these new wheels out, make sure they go on the truck with no issue, and check all the lug nuts they sent me, and figured I would put it on. If there's going to be any interference, it wasn't going to be on the rear of the dually, it would be on the front. So I'm going to pop this front wheel off, and I'm going to check to make sure all the bolt patterns are correct, that I have no interference on the brake there with the wheel, and check all the lug nuts. So let's get to it. Before I pop this wheel and tire off, I'm going to have new tires mounted on these wheels, and I want to show you one of the reasons I'm going to do that. Now this is the front here, like I said earlier, and you can see that tires got real good wear. It's got plenty of tread depth in here. There's the tread wear indicator. So got over half on the front tire here. The rears are just a little under half on the tread wear indicator, but all the tires, and this is what I want to show you, hoping you can see it here. You can see these cracks. Now that crack runs all the way around that tread, and I don't know if you can see, but it's got cracks in the sidewalls here. So I'm just not going to have these tires mounted on these new wheels just to turn around and have some kind of issue and have to put more new tires on. So I'll be changing out these. I'll be putting Cooper ATs on it. Hopefully they'll let me in the shop and I can show you what they're doing when they mount those new wheels. So let's get on with it here. All right, here we go. Ready for the big reveal. Let me know what you think in the comments. Think it's going to look pretty good. So I've got no interference. It goes all the way. No scraping noises. The lug nuts fit perfect. So I'll be mounting the rest of the wheels up there. Well, I'll mount the other front wheel, and then the rear dually wheels, I'll just put up there and make sure the bolt pattern's correct, and check all the lug nuts, and then I'll take it down to my tire guy, and we'll have new tires mounted and balanced. And like I said, I'll see if they'll let me kind of poke my head in there. They're pretty strict on customers in the shop, but I've been going there a long time, so maybe they'll let me take a peek in there. And once we get them mounted, I'll do another video, and so you can see how they all came out and how they look on the truck. Really appreciate you watching, guys. Till next time.